Meaning of Dow Jones Index.
Dow Jones Index.
Dow Jones Index.
Dow Jones Index.
Dow Jones Index. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, also known as the Dow Jones Index or simply Dow, is a stock market index that tracks the performance of 30 large publicly traded companies listed in the United States. The index provides a snapshot of how the stock market is performing and is widely regarded as a barometer for the overall health of the U.S. economy. As a result, changes in the Dow Jones Index can have significant impacts on investor confidence and can influence global financial markets.